GM everyone, Jairus James here from OSPN, the Open Source People's Network, and we create content that highlights the activities that goes on within DAO communities, as well as shed light on open source tooling that takes DAOs to the next level. Today, we're discussing the top 5 AIPs, APE Improvement Proposals, that were submitted on the ApeCoin DAO forum within the month of August. There were a lot of great discussions and ideas shared on forum in the month of August, but today we're going to highlight the top 5 AIPs in terms of total engagement and impact. And we measure impact by positive sentiment for the replies received for each AIP, particularly from role holders within the DAO, and engagement is the total number of replies and the total number of views for each AIP. Now, just about each AIP offers opportunities for our listeners, and we'll be discussing those as well, and we'll shout out people that we think will be good fits for these potential opportunities. By the way, all of these proposals are still in the draft phase, so feel free to click the links in the bio of the video and make suggestions on forum, and join the conversation before it actually goes up for vote on Snapshot. Now, without further ado, let's start with the countdown for the top 5 AIPs for the month of August. Now it's time for the proposal of the month, and at number 5 we have AIP 500 by Licky.eth, which is titled A Revolutionary Web3 IP Marketplace Powered by ApeCoin. This proposal is about creating a marketplace like Amazon, but specifically for Made by Apes, the NBA members and their products. It will be a platform where NBA creators can sell their merchandise and NFT related products. The marketplace is free to use, and it generates income by taking a small commission on each sale. While ApeCoin is the preferred currency, NBA creators have the final say on whether they want to accept other forms of payment. The platform is designed to be creator-centric, putting the needs of NBA members first, giving them full control over how they list, price, and sell their products. Every time a transaction, like a sale, happens on the platform, they take 2.5% of the transaction as a fee. And the total profits they make from this 2.5% commission, plus other revenue sources like advertising or premium memberships, 10% of those profits will go back to the ApeCoin DAO. This means that the DAO benefits directly from the revenue generated by the marketplace. Now listen here, there are quite a few opportunities in this proposal as well, so if it passes, they are looking to fill quite a few roles. Now AIP 500 is looking to follow the following roles, so pay close attention here. They're looking to fill a role for a back-end developer. The allocated funds for this back-end developer is $36,000 a year. For this role, they need someone to develop and maintain the back-end services of the marketplace, including API integration and data security. Now they're also looking for a DevOps engineer. The allocated funds for this is also $36,000 a year. And for this role, what they need for this role is someone to manage the infrastructure, deployment, and scaling the platform as well, ensuring its high availability and security. Now they also need a business developer. This is my department here, so I've been paying close attention to this proposal for a while. But anyway, the allocated funds for the business developer is $30,000 per year. For this role, this is for someone to focus on building partnerships, onboarding merchants, and driving growth in the marketplace. Now they're also looking for a community manager. The allocated funds for this is $21,600 a year. For this role, they need someone to manage community engagement, customer support, and help foster a vibrant marketplace ecosystem. I'm going to give a shout out to some amazing Web3 builders that I know of that will be perfect fits for these roles. Now, one of the best backend developers that I know of personally is Leonard from Idris. Not sure if he has the bandwidth to contribute to this project as well, but I'm sure he can suggest a few other great backend devs that has the availability to contribute to AIP 500 if it were to pass. But Leonard if you do have some free time, this could be a way to bring in some extra funds. But you guys are doing some great things at Idris, so big shout outs to you guys. But yeah, you're definitely one of the best backend developers that I know of personally. Now, the best business developers that I know of in this space, I have to give a big shout out to my friend Abhishek, who used to lead BD for Decimal. Also, gotta give a shout out to my friend Iris, who also used to be the BD lead for Hashtag. And now I gotta give a special shout out to Nooper. She is leading BD for Rivera and Palladium Labs at the moment. And I gotta also give a very special shout outs to Regan. She is a BD from Euler Finance. And the best community managers I know of in this space has to be Addy from Rari Foundation. That's the DAO behind Rarible. Also, an excellent community manager that I know of is Evan Moyer, the community manager from ENS. Also, giving a big shout outs to Hefe from Abagachi and Sinful Meat Stick from Decentraland. And at number 4, we have AIP 512 by Meme Brains. This one is titled Build with Ape Page on all AIP and Banana Build projects. Now, this proposal aims to enhance the visibility and growth of the ApeCoin ecosystem by mandating that every project funded by the ApeCoin DAO via AIP or Banana Build includes a Build with Ape page on their website. This page will explain the benefits of ApeCoin, encourage new members to join the DAO, and recognize the DAO's contribution to the project. So this provides an opportunity for the ApeCoin ecosystem to grow as more projects publicly promote ApeCoin on their platforms. And at number 3, we have AIP 499 by Web3 Gatsby. This one is titled Low Key Labs and Albera, redefining Web3 entertainment and user experience with ApeChain. This proposal aims to create an immersive and interactive Web3 experience by combining storytelling, gaming, and crypto education. Through their platform Albera, Low Key Labs releases weekly episodes of a narrative-driven series where users can participate in quests, play mini games, and engage with the story using NFTs and cryptocurrencies like ApeCoin. Their project makes it easy for both Web3 OGs and newcomers to explore the ApeCoin ecosystem by integrating it into the game, rewarding users with ApeCoin, and offering gamified experiences. Players can use NFTs from popular collections like Bored Ape Yacht Club to unlock rewards, stake assets, or even play without owning an NFT by subscribing. Albera helps onboard new users to crypto through fun and engaging quests while promoting the use of ApeChain and driving ApeCoin adoption. The platform also creates revenue streams and opportunities for users, making it an accessible entry point into Web3. By participating in quests, playing mini games, or using your NFTs in the game, users can earn ApeCoin and unlock exclusive digital items. And also for the creators and brands, there are also opportunities for partnerships and collaborations to feature their products in the game, creating potential revenue for them as well. Albera, they frequently partner with Web3 and non-Web3 brands, integrating their products or NFTs into the story or platform. So this creates an opportunity for brands to collaborate, co-create merch, or be featured in immersive experiences. So the NBA brands in particular have clear pathway to engagement within the Albera universe. But aside from the NBA brands, here are a few projects that I think will make a great collaboration with Low Key Labs. Some of these great collaborations I think will be with a project that's called Meta Factory. That project is founded by MetaDreamer and co-founded by Drew Harding. They create composable merch for Web3 communities. Seeing a drop between Low Key Labs and Meta Factory from Albera would be interesting. But also a drop with 9DCC created by G Money, that would also be an interesting collaboration. Now 9DCC is an on-chain lifestyle platform and clothing brand. These are two partnerships that I would like to see happen if this AIP was to pass. Alright, and at number 2, we have AIP 516 by All City. This one is titled Advancing ApeCoin, Building the Ape Options Market. Now, for those that don't know, options trading is all about mitigating risk. For example, let's say you set up a call option. to buy ApeCoin at 75 cents, but the price crashes to, let's say, 25 cents. You're not obligated to actually buy. You can simply choose to not exercise the option. Your only loss is the small fee that you pay up front to set up the option. Later, when the market bounces back, you can use a put option to sell ApeCoin at a higher price, protecting yourself from future losses. So with options, you're limiting your risk to just the fee that you pay for the option while keeping the potential for gains. You can choose to exercise your right to buy or sell, but only if it's beneficial to you. Now, ApeCoin doesn't have an options market yet, so this is a big deal, especially for attracting professional investors and bringing a lot more liquidity for ApeCoin. The proposal states that Ithaca Protocol will set this all up, which is an Arbitrum-based decentralized options platform. So shout outs to All City for submitting this AIP. If it passes, this will make ApeCoin accessible for professional investors and traders and increase liquidity and trading volumes for ApeCoin as well. Now, this proposal mentions a double rewards program for traders who engage in the ApeCoin options market. Ithaca Protocol will offer double airdrop points for Ape options traders, which is a part of their upcoming airdrop. And a few high-level traders that I know of in the space that may be a good fit for taking advantage of this opportunity are Hero Kennelly from Bankless DAO, Tanisha from ZKX Protocol, and Zeus the Great from the Nirvana Academy. At number 1, we have AIP 498 by Riders LP. This one is titled -BO UGC Platform, Democratizing Content Creation. This proposal aims to democratize content creation with the -BO UGC, that's User Generated Content Platform, allowing users of all skill levels to create, share, and customize 3D animations, poses, and memes using their NFTs. Now this one is built on ApeChain. -BO offers an accessible and immersive platform where users can transform their creations into dynamic AR experiences, avatars, or social media content. The platform will feature preset animations, memes, and customization options with rewards and ApeCoin for the top creators through a community leaderboard. Now here are a few great designers and 3D designers that I know of that I feel would rank pretty high on that leaderboard for -BO. If they took advantage of this opportunity once it goes live, you guys may be rewarded with some ApeCoin. So I'm going to shout out Bobo and Colade. Those are two great graphic designers from the OSPN team. And also got to give a shout out to Mr. W and Mr. J, two excellent 3D designers from Decentraland. And that wraps up our countdown for the top 5 AIPs for the month of August. We covered AIP 500, a marketplace for made by ape creators to sell their products and NFTs with a portion of the profits going back to the DAO. Then AIP 512 proposes that all funded projects includes a Build with Ape page explaining ApeCoin and encouraging people to join the DAO. And then we had AIP 499, which introduces a platform combining storytelling, gaming, and crypto education where users can earn ApeCoin while engaging with brands and NBA products. Then we had AIP 516. Now this one aims to create an ApeCoin options market, giving professional traders the tools that they need to manage risk and to potentially increase liquidity for ApeCoin. Finally, AIP 498. This one brings us a content creation platform that lets any user, regardless of their skill level, create 3D animations and AR experiences using their NFTs with rewards for top creators through a leaderboard system. Just about all of these proposals presents brand new and exciting opportunities, whether it's roles to fill, partnerships to explore, or rewards for creators and traders. So if you're interested, now is the time to get involved and contribute, especially since all these AIPs are still in the draft phase. So join the discussion, make suggestions, and help shape the future of the DAO. All you need is one ApeCoin to become a member of the DAO and begin contributing on forum. The forum is token gated, so purchase at least one ApeCoin ApeCoin, and you'll be able to contribute. Now, before I go, I have to give a shout out to daospace, which is a discovery engine for all things DAO, which is currently in private beta, but they provided access to the forum data for us and structured it in a way to easily identify the top AIPs based on the overall quality of each one of their sentiment ratings for the comments, as well as total engagement. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I'm Jairus James from OSPN. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and check out the links in the bio to join the conversation. See you next time.